everyone, let's talk about how to fix hotels.com oops error 2026. So to fix the hotels.com oops or something went error, you can start by restarting your phone because the quick reboot resolves many temporary system and network glitches. Now the next what you can do is clear app cache and data or offload the app. Just go to your device settings, then scroll down to general and then go to iPhone storage. Then find hotels.com from the list, or you can just simply search it in your search bar. Tap on it. Now tap offload app and then immediately reinstall it. Now the next what you can do is check your network. Just turn off your Wi-Fi and use your mobile data or vice versa to see if the error is tied to your connection. Now the next what you can do is disable the VPNs. Hotels.com security blocks certain VPN IP addresses. Just turn off your VPN and try the action again. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just open the Apple Play Store or Google Play Store, then find hotels.com, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.